Hi everyone, I want to show you how to use the captions and language translations in PowerPoint Live. In order to do this, you need to have a Microsoft Office 365 account. If you're a student or staff member at Sam Houston State University, you have one of these accounts for free. If you are not a Sam Houston State University student or staff member, perhaps the organization you work for provides you with an Office 365 account. So here I am in my Office 365 account online, and this is my presentation that I wanted to show you as an example. Right now it's on the simplified ribbon, and that's fine because the part that I need is on here. It's on the home ribbon right now. I'm going to go to the slideshow ribbon, and you'll notice that there are these different tabs here. I'm going to click on this drop down for the always use subtitles, and I can choose the language that I am speaking in, and then I can also choose the language that I want to record, that I want the captions to be in. So I'm going to choose Spanish. And then also, if you look here, it gives you the option of where you want your captions to show up. So I'm choosing to have the captions show below the slide. So that's going to show the captions as I'm speaking. Then there's also this Present Live right here. And if I click on that, see that it's going to give users a QR code, or up here on the right, a website URL that they can join this presentation. Once a user does this, they can choose what language they want their captions to be written in. So I chose Spanish to show up on my screen, but maybe somebody speaks Russian, and so they could use this QR code and go in there and choose to have the captions show up in Russian. And now I'm going to start the presentation. You can see down here the different options that we have. These are to advance the slides or to go back. This one right here is to show the captions. So if I click on it, the captions will go away. So you notice the captions are now gone. I'm going to click and put them back. This is if I wanted to write on the slide, which is a kind of a neat feature. This one here shows me and an overview of where we are, but I like to use the regular up here, okay? And this one right here is if I need to have somebody get the link again, I can go over there, and I'm back here so that if someone joined late or they were having troubles getting into it. And this will end the presentation, but let's go ahead. Oh, and the red is the dictation. So just because I'm always trying to let everybody know about the fantastic place that I work, which is Sam Houston State University. And within the university and in the College of Education, we have the Eleanor and Charles Garrett Center on Transition and Disability Studies. So this is the QR code for our center's website, and our URL is here. If you don't already, perhaps you would like to follow the Garrett Center on Facebook or on Twitter. So I hope that this really quick tutorial helps you out.